Okay, I'm on the top of Curtain Falls and we'll start the vlog here. Actually, I've vlogged this I've vlogged this waterfall before, but actually my plan is to walk upstream and find the next waterfall that's further up. So let's go see what we can find. Such a beautiful place. Wow. Actually, this waterfall is just trickling. Like last time we come here, this was crazy. So it's the perfect time to go upstream because the wet season's so close. And once it starts raining, this would be like probably over our head. So I think we picked the perfect day, Queenie. So nice walking along these riverbeds when they're like this. Alright, I'll follow you. Oh my god. Back in the West, I used to go to the gym to try and keep fit, but climbing up and down these rocks and try not to slip over it, they're much better workout and so much more fun. Wow, so maganda up here. Look at that, Queenie. Can you see any soil?
No.
Look at that. That's like all the roots are just attached to these rocks because this tree doesn't need soil. It's happy. Wow, the roots just dip into the river. Wow, amazing nature. The amazing thing about the Philippines is you come to a waterfall and all the locals are down at that first part socializing, so that bit's fun. You can get your socializing out the way and then you just walk 15 minutes up the river and it's like you're in the middle of nowhere. You've got the whole lot to yourself. Sana all. Some of these rocks are so amazing. Must have been here just getting washed around for thousands of years. Alright, let's go find this bullseye, Queenie. Actually, that drone is how I found this bullseye. As I said before, when we were at Curtain Falls. And then I put that drone up last time, but I couldn't get up here because the weather was bad. I've been meaning to get up here for ages, so actually pretty excited to see this waterfall. Wow, maganda.
Here's your slipper.
Salamat. Oh well, lucky it's hot. As I've been walking up the river, I've actually been finding all these little native fish traps. I've been trying to keep away from them because that's the locals' dinner, I guess. But just want to film one and show you what they look like. They're really cool. Look like they've been woven out of bamboo. Oh, there's another fish trap. This dry bag's so handy because we got the drone in here, so it's probably one of the best assets I bought. Queenie, quickly, come up here. Quick.
They're coming.
Wow, we just got the first glimpse of it. It's pretty impressive. Look at that, Queenie. Yes. Wow. Let's go up there. I'm so excited. Alright, let's go up there, take a swim and do a drone shot. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, go up. Go. Put your foot in there. In there. Just got to get this last bit. I'm really not sure which way to go. I could go up that way, but oh, careful. Oh, careful. This is like quicksand, Queenie.
Yes. Look me.
Be careful.
Woohoo!
Ah, Sana, oh.
Finally! Finally!
Alright, let's go. Wow. I'll give this waterfall a 5 out of 10 to get here because it's sort of not too hard but not too easy either, but a 10 out of 10 for beautiful Maganda. Salamat, Philippines. Look at this, it's like this one's like a natural walking bridge of stone. Woo. Wow, that was, it's like that bridge was made for me. Oh, and it got us all the way. Come on, Queenie, come across the bridge. Wow. Wow. When I was at Curtain Falls and I put the drone up the first time and then I seen this waterfall, I thought, wow, I found the pot of gold, which I have. And then we come and made it, and then after just putting that drone up again and seeing there's another waterfall and another waterfall, oh my god, this might be like the best waterfalls in the whole world. I want to get up there, but I don't know how, but oh my god, my mind is blown. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy this one because we're here. Oh, sana all. Salamat, Philippines. Whew. I don't know how we're gonna get up there. Wow. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this, it's like the drain. That's like the drain to the bathtub. Look at that. Woo. I know I have a daily shower nearly every day, but this one's special. Because look at this pool. It looks so deep. And then it's got that in the background. Alright, my daily shower. Yoo-hoo! There's so many strange mosses and plants that could only grow in such a special environment like this. I've never seen stuff like this before. And so slippery. It's like ice. Whoa. God. Sana, oh. Alright, let's go home. It's been an amazing day for me. Okay, you go first. Go on. Woo! It's like human drone. That was such a big day. I'm so tired now. Alright, time to go home. But those memories of that drone footage, oh my god, I cannot get them out of my mind. I didn't know there's so many beautiful waterfalls up there. I really hope I can get to visit them one day. Alright, Selamat Philippines. Oh, that was such an amazing day. So tired. We can't be bothered cooking. We're gonna go get some takeout. Alright. So hungry. Actually, this little place is so close to our house, and they make really good pizza. Alright. Let's go see how they make these pizzas. Ah.
You want to?
Hello, Ate. So, Ate, can I look? Do you have real cheese or not? Ah. Oh, wow. Whoa. Wow. Good.
Cheesy. I got cheese.
Yeah, that's real cheese. Mozzarella. They use real mozzarella cheese here. That's pretty rare in the Philippines. Sorry, I think. I'm so tired. It was an amazing day in the waterfalls, but now I need to sleep.
After eating dinner.
Yeah, so tired now. Alright, Selamat Philippines. Selamat!
Salamat.
Thank you.
Balik-balik.
Balik-balik. Balik-balik.